Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into your United Wholesale Mortgage account. So let's go ahead and dive into the video since the process is quite easy. First of all, visit a web browser and type in the official URL for United Wholesale Mortgage, which is myuwmloan.com. Once you provide the URL, you will then be taken to the login page for United Wholesale Mortgage. In the sign-in page, you'll need to enter your credentials. If you don't have an online account yet, you can sign up by clicking on Create One Here link at the bottom. If you already have an account and you'd like to access it and manage your mortgage, go to the text box where it says username and type in your username correct. Make sure to enter the username associated with your account. In case you don't remember your username, click on Forgot Your Username link and follow through the on-screen instructions. On the next field, enter your password for your account. Similarly, if you've forgotten your password, you can click on this Forgot Your Password link and follow through the password reset process. After creating a new password, you can then type it down in the text box and click on Sign In, which will then sign you in to your United Wholesale Mortgage account online. You can now manage your mortgage account, view your loan details, make payments, and much more. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.